Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair video. We're going to be switching up the color yet again. I'm going to keep it kind of like blondish, but I want to go silver, or as close to silver as I can get. I've been kind of toning it out and mixing in my different Arctic Fox colors to tone it and keep kind of the brassiness down. But I was walking through Walmart and I did see this Schwarzkopf Got2B Metallics line, and they do have one here called Metallic Silver. I've never actually seen this particular brand before. I don't know why. Maybe it's new to my little town, or maybe I just have never paid attention enough. It says, for a multi-dimensional metallic look, boost your hair color with unique metallic radiance, anti-fading effect for long-lasting colors. Say goodbye to boring colors, head-turning radiance, and color that lasts. Gives you the little swatches down here, what your color to what it should be. I do have bleached hair. Let's pull it out. It's already a mess. I just got off work for the evening. You can see there's different shades of blonde going throughout it. It is fairly light, pale, like the inside of a banana, except for up here. There's spots where it is darker. So we're gonna see what this does to it. As per all my hair color videos, I'm gonna not talk, have some music, and we'll just enjoy the show and see what happens. Alright guys, I'm going to let this sit in for about 25 minutes, then I will wash it off and I'll be back to show you it wet before it's dried and styled. So, see you soon. Alright guys, I'm back. I have not looked at it yet. I changed my shirt, but I kept it in a towel, so it's a surprise for us all. Alright, this is what we're working with here. I'm just going to pick through it a little bit. I can definitely see in spots where my hair was more of a darker blonde that it's not as silver as my ends. I want to zoom you guys in, see if you guys can see. So there's spots up in through my roots up in here where they're not quite the same silver as this down here. It did definitely change the tone of it though. I don't think it's quite as brassy and bright, kind of yellowy as it was. We'll see as it dries, it might all blend in together. Before I dry it though, I'm going to go in with one of my new favorite products. It is from Save Me From. They are an amazing hair company. They make products that are just fabulous for your hair. I'm going to be going in with the Thermal Obsessions.
If you don't know about this company, definitely check them out. They are in the US. Unfortunately, they don't currently ship to Canada yet. They are working on it. I am in Canada. I am lucky enough to have them send me these products, which I'm so grateful for. I use them on everyone that comes for me to do their hair. And they have actually donated some products for my giveaway. And if you haven't seen that video, I will link it here. Definitely check that out. I'll also leave it linked at the very end of the video so that you can continue watching this video and then still not miss it.
I'm going to dry this mop and we'll be back. Alright guys, here is the final result. I'll spin you around. I don't know what to think about this specific hair color here. Will I use it again? Probably not. There is quite a few, I mean, you can see the weird greenish yellow it left in spots. Same with in the back throughout it. There is pieces that it's just not that silver color that it's supposed to be. I'm hoping as it fades out, it all kind of blends in a little more. I'm gonna live with it for a little while. And then we're just gonna switch it up again one day anyways, so I'm not too concerned. I will make it work for now. But yeah, if you guys like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.